Margaret. All right.
Here. Margaret. Wait, she's getting kisses. Look at her. She closes her eyes when you kiss her. Okay, back up. I want to make it a better picture. Okay, Pookie.
Wait.
I'll take a picture. Ready? Margaret. You're a bad girl. You're about to peck me, aren't you?
No.
I was like,
Just ready? Peck.
She's supposed to peck me. Margaret, you're bad.
Mom, what are they screaming about? Mom, they're all sitting.
No, they're so lazy right
Take
now.
a picture.
Look at Mini Pearl. She's like, oh,
It's a mini Pearl.
is that regular
Mom,
Pearl? Who's that right there?
right in front of you,
Yeah.
the blonde. That's Pearl. Look at Kelly. Mom,
What?
Cole's leaning against the fence.
Who has her butt up against the fence?
Mommy, take a picture.
Okay, let me turn it this way.
I want you to send me them. Look at Kelly. Mom, Margaret's butt.
I see it.
Okay, now take a picture.
Oh,
Mason!
I sat down too, Mason.
Mommy, take a picture.
Okay, I got it.
Riley.
Wait. Hi, Riley.
Hi, Riley.
Come here, Riley. Come here. Come on back, girl.
Stick your fingers out.
She doesn't like the. She doesn't care about the yellow. Riley.
Mom, can I catch her?
Sure.
Riley.
Hurry up. She's pretending like she's eating. Oh, you're never gonna catch her.
No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Riley. Riley. Mom, this is easy. I'm just letting
You said it was easy.
No, I'm letting her. I'm trying to get her to come this way. Riley.
Don't get on my back, Margaret. No. I'm wearing white. Okay, bring Riley over.
Again.
What do you mean? All right, I'm coming over.
Margaret, no.
Margaret's intruding. Okay, let me see Riley.
Oh,
No, Margaret, no! Ah! I'm wearing a white shirt. Margaret, no.
Mom, look, it's Riley.
Let me see Riley. Here, she's going on your back.
No, no.
Hold on. Let me see Riley.
Oh, it's Riley.
Give Riley a kiss.
Here you go. Mommy, give her a kissy.
Wait, I can't. She's too big.
Give her a kissy.
Okay, but hold her still. Ready? Bring your head up here.
Margaret, Mom's just gonna jump on you. Mom.
No! Margaret? No. Oh, not doing it. She's gonna get on you.
No.
Ah!
Riley.
Come on, she wants a
All right,
piggyback. Give her a piggyback.
Margaret. Here you go, Riley.
Give Margaret a piggyback.
Mom,
Bend
this
over.
is my best shirt.
Gemma, just do. Come on, I'm gonna do light laundry. Okay, forget it. Say bye. Look at me. Say bye.
Bye.